Hi everybody. As many of you know, I'm working on writing a book. When I say writing a book, I don't mean writing so much as I mean a book of photography. So I decided I would get myself a drone so that I could get some aerial photography of these many crazy abandoned places that I'm using for locations for my book. And I don't know why, I just decided I should maybe make an unboxing video. Bear with me because I'm recording the whole thing on my phone and I'm going to edit it in Premiere Rush, which I've never actually used to edit a video before. So, yeah, hopefully it turns out. Okay, so boys and girls, I got myself a Mavic Mini. And I've heard great things. They're basically brand new. They've only been out for what, like a month and a half now. I believe this is part of the second wave that they've sent out. And I got the fly more combo because it seems really cool and I want to fly more. And while we're at it, I'm trying out these Corona Premiers, which is a Corona with 2.6 grams of net carbs. Which isn't bad, but is a little light on the taste side, but they're decent. So why don't we take this Mavic and see what's in the box. I can't wait. I'm super excited. So for those of you that don't know, I'm making a photography coffee table type book of the coolest abandoned places, abandoned buildings, ghost towns, you know, abandoned hospitals, factories, cotton gin, stuff like that Texas has to offer. And so far, I'm 1,400 potential locations in. And I haven't gotten to start taking pictures of any of them because my thing isn't here yet. And I don't want to have to do it twice. I hate repeating myself. So let's start. So we've got a nice little carrying case, not bad. We've got what appears to be a spacer. Definitely a spacer. Oh, what's down here? We've got those. Oh, what's this? We've got that. And some silica. Wait, this is a thing. There's actually a thing in here. I think that's it. Okay, so let's start with the business end. It's a nifty little, relatively hard shell case. Not entirely hard, but, you know, pretty solid. Let's see what's in it. Well, we've got ourselves a drone. It actually fits really snugly in here. I like this. It's perfect. Okay. So we've got ourselves a drone, which is going to need to be untaped. Man, that thing is small. Oh my god. I think my phone weighs more than this. Mind you, the battery's not in it yet, so we'll set that aside. We've got the drone, and we've got what I assume is the charger. If you get the Fly More combo, it comes with a 3 battery charging bay that plugs in USB. And my understanding is when the batteries are actually in there and charged, the entire thing will function as a power bank should I need to charge my cell phone in an emergency or something like that. So that's nice. And this I assume is the remote. This is definitely the remote. Be a lot of boxes and stuff. A lot of boxes and stuff. What's this? We have extra blades. 3 pairs of extra propellers. Propeller blades. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and keep that in there. We're gonna need that. What have we here? We have all of our various cords and things. Okay, cool. We'll circle around to that here in a minute because I don't need 2/3 of that. What is this? This looks like instructions. It is instructions. We don't need no stinking instructions. I actually already downloaded the app and fooled around with that and watched several videos. Well, I will read this later. It's not really key right now. This is heavy. This is probably batteries. This is definitely batteries. 1, 2, and 3. I don't know how many the base comes with, but the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. Now what do we got in here? You're probably my charging little brick. Wow, that's like in there, huh? Like they don't want nothing to happen to this, as if I don't have 30 of these. Okay, and then this must be that the Fly More comes with a frame that goes around. Get into this. That goes around the drone propellers, so if you bump into stuff, you're not going to break your propellers. And that is exactly what these are. So let's get into this here in a second. Let's see here. Let's set those aside. We're going to start by taking our batteries and we are going to put them in the charger. Because I can't do much with the drone, the batteries are dead. And I assume they probably have a nominal charge for shipping. And maybe they don't even have a nominal charge for shipping. I think they're dead. Dead ski. Alright, well, let's figure out, what are you? I need my USB cable. This is my USB cable. Micro USB, which kind of bothers me a little bit, since they really should get on board with the whole, USB-C revolution. But we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in. And we're going to let this guy charge. This controller is really solid. It doesn't look that solid in the videos I was watching, or the pictures, but I gotta give it to DJI. This is pretty solid. This is hefty. This makes for an interesting contrast to the drone itself, which is insanely light and insanely small. I had a sandwich bigger than this. Yeah, charge batteries before use. Yes, I intend to. Work in progress, in fact. 1. Unfold front arms forward. Look, they even have instructions taped to the thing. Front arms forward. 2. Unfold rear arms downward. And this is it. This thing is a little. It feels. I mean, it's funny. Like everything is so light, and yet it feels surprisingly solid for being so light. And a goddamn 3-axis gimbal on the front of this little thing. This is insane. Well, there's a reason DJI's top of the list, right? Oh, and then we got these things. Let's not forget about these things. These are bumpers. They clip onto the drone and go over the propellers, or over the what you call them, go over the blades, clip on, and protect you from yourself. Make it a lot safer to fly indoors, anyway. So, I legit forgot to record an outro to that video, so we're circling back around. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing of the new Mavic Mini, and join me for my next video where we get it off the ground. Thank you. Push that subscribe button, comment, like, whatever floats your boat.